Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by separating one egg and using just the white. This tightens pores without the oil. In a small bowl, whip the white until slightly frothy, then add 1/2 teaspoon of Vaseline and fold gently so it emulsifies. You do this to combine protein-based tightening with occlusive moisture. Once mixed, apply immediately with clean fingers to avoid contamination. Make sure to avoid eyes and any open cuts. This first step primes skin and seals in hydration while preparing for the next phase. You should apply a thin, even layer over the face, working outward from the nose. This keeps coverage uniform and prevents heavy buildup. Once on, wait 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture feels set but not rock hard. That balance lets the egg protein work while Vaseline prevents excessive drying. While it sets, keep your head upright and breathe through the nose to avoid mask lines. After the set time, prepare warm water and a soft cloth for removal, making sure to be gentle and patient. To finish, wet a soft cloth with lukewarm water and use gentle circular motions to dissolve and lift the mask. Avoid harsh scrubbing. You don't want micro tears. Once removed, pat the skin dry and follow with a light non-comedogenic moisturizer to restore balance. Vaseline can be occlusive, so use sparingly if you are acne-prone. If you experience burning, redness, or stinging, rinse immediately and discontinue use. Make sure to patch test future mixes and consult a dermatologist for persistent reactions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.